I think we all instinctively know that water is fundamental for our lives, like all human life on the planet, but it's less obvious that it's critical for all of our livelihoods and industry. This partnership with mHUB and the Sustainable Water Tech Accelerator is all about bringing together the innovators that understand the fundamental challenges we face in water and how to build those solutions.
Within this cohort, we actually have 7 different startups which cover a number of areas, real areas where we feel and where the industry told us and society told us we have a challenge here.
My name is Sebastián Saldarriaga. I'm co-founder and COO of Amplify Dynamics, and we are developing membrane-free purification technologies using ultrasound.
At Flonergia, we are driving the future water system with richer flow and less energy. We have a flow move technology that is basically circulating water and aerating at the same time with much more efficient way.
At Graphry, we are building a graphene refinery where we are upcycling carbon waste into high-quality customizable graphene and graphene-based products.
I'm Len Bland. I'm with Nanogas Environmental. We clean dirty water and capture oil with tiny bubbles.
My name is Isidro Hurtado. I'm the co-founder of NOAA System.
My name is Michael Ramos. I'm a co-founder of NOAA System, and we remove lead from drinking water in drinking fountains and underneath your kitchen sink.
At ROIC, we are redefining industrial chemistry by using electric fields to produce valuable chemicals on-site and on-demand from just air and electricity.
My name is Jonathan Ores. I'm the co-founder and CEO of SpaceTrip, and SpaceTrip develops automated water reuse systems that make water available anywhere by reusing the water in a loop.
mHUB and current Accelerator program is actually a very unique program because it's offering hardtech development of new products. So working with mHUB and current team, we are actually developing our second product. We call it the FlowSync technology, which is driving our product line into the market.
I love the kind of traction we can get, especially taking advantage of the mentors and the connection to investors.
I think that there's also like a shared energy here with founders. I think that there's a really nice feeling of everybody that's rooting for one another.
Ultimately, this is an area where we want to be building and expanding our business, so we were really excited about mHUB and Current's manufacturing capabilities here and also broader network throughout the greater Midwest.
mHUB really gave us access to the rapid prototyping facility that really enabled us to scale up our production from grams to kilograms to tons. The current ecosystem connected us to a network where we could tap the markets in construction, agriculture, energy storage, and even composites.
Water is being recognized as a critical input across every part of the economy, and it is absolutely imperative that we support the entrepreneurs and the innovators who are developing the solutions to meet the challenges that are arising in our country and beyond every single day.